in my bag, and my job hasn't gone away for the past few days. Okay, wait a minute. I called a doctor first for further examination.
You can take some other prescribed medication and rest. You can apply the ice to the area for 20 minutes a day.
Okay, doctor. Thank you.
You're welcome. Later, please meet a nurse to get prescribed for the medicine.
Okay, name Dwi Hatati. Okay, based on the results given by the doctor, here is the prescription. Later, please pick up the pharmacy map. If has held in field that will check.
Iya, sumpah.
Okay,
Yang tidak lulus ujian praktik.